Hello, good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the business model canvas of best players in the market. So these companies are setting the benchmark and they set a standard. So we discuss this for the benefit of generative AI and agentic systems course. And let us understand what is exactly the business model innovation. And these two companies, like what you're seeing in the slide, Airbnb and Uber, they created a wonderful business model, and they got a very good revenue through that creative model. So that set a role model for many of the business model campus. So through that, we will be able to get many valuable insights and inspiration. The business strategy, what they adapted and they shaped it, and that will help us to shape our successful business. And let us see the basic building blocks of a business model. As you know that the four things, like mainly the key activities, key resources, key partners is right. Another category is like customer relationship, customer segments of the channels. Then one side is value proposition, is which is very important. Then the combination of cost structure and revenue streams. So if you see the Airbnb business model, you can see the every various parts, like from key partners, the core activities, like who are the key partners, insurance companies, local governments, and the professional photographers. These are the people who are the main role, playing the major role in the Airbnb business. And their core activities are platform management, they do marketing, they provide customer support. And the resources what they are using is websites and mobile apps for the branding and reputations. They are listing in the websites and their data and the customer base. And here they have the customer relationship as community. They create a community. They provide a relational approach. They provide ratings and reviews customers are providing for the branding. And for the customer segments, you see the travelers from various segments and the host. So the channel here are website, app, other than that, blogs and referral codes through referral websites. So here the value proposition is to understand how the access to unique accommodations worldwide, how authenticate the personalized experience, and how it is generating the extra income by renting you the property. It is also to notable things like access to global network of guests, including the insurance and support systems. So the cost is being invested, the structure, cost structure here, it has platform independent insurance cost and host space by the outs and the referral commission and marketing cost, etc. Even the salaries and guest refunds, refunding and guarantees, etc. But the revenue is generated 14 to 16 percentage through the fee hosting, and 14 percentage plus or minus is free through the fee travelers. So wonderful business model, which is inspiring really for that. And if you see the experiences here in Airbnb, uh, they have that travelers, unique travelers and locally led activities. They conduct that beyond the traditional 2 hours. And from cooking classes with local chef, they arrange that, they guide the natural hikes and cultural workshops. So these experiences provide authentic and immersive ways to explore a destination. Also, Airbnb is experiencing, allowing the guests to connect with the community, and they are creating unforgettable memories. So that is a strength for enhancing their travel adventures with the personal and distinctive touches. Another advantage, it is a perfect fit with the core of the proposition. Also, it shows that how the travel experience can be improvised by adding the new group of local citizens. So the addition, which provides a lot of extra distinctiveness, also the unique experience, because it is directly available from the various other travel providers. So another example, B2B Airbnb business model canvas, that we will see in the next class.